Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to make Indian Kerala-style chicken biryani. I'm actually from Sri Lanka, but I really love Kerala biryanis, especially their aroma and taste. So let's get started. If anyone watching from India or Kerala, please comment below and let me know if I'm missing anything or not following the correct procedure. First, let's marinate the chicken. If you can marinate it overnight, that's perfect. If not, please keep it for at least 2 to 3 hours. I have taken 1 kilogram of medium sized chicken pieces today. To this, I'm adding 1 packet of Kerala biryani masala, then 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Adjust if you like it spicy. Salt as per taste. Half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, fried onion, 1 large onion will be enough, thin sliced, 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice. Mix everything well, cover it and keep it aside for marination. After marinating, let's cook the chicken first. Heat a pan and add some oil. Add 1 large onion, roughly sliced, 1 large tomato, roughly sliced, 5 to 6 green chilies. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, then add the marinated chicken. Add a little water, cover and cook until the chicken is tender and the masala becomes thick. Meanwhile, soak 1 kilogram of rice for about 30 minutes. Boil 1 liter of water and add to that 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 bay leaves, 4 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, 1 small cinnamon stick, salt as per your taste. When the water starts boiling, wash the soaked rice and add it. Cook on high flame for about 5 minutes until the rice is 90% cooked. Do not overcook the rice. If you overcook the rice, the biryani taste, texture, everything will be ruined. So be careful. Then drain the rice and keep it aside. Now everything is ready to assemble the biryani. So add little ghee to a heavy pan. First add layer of rice. Then add a layer of chicken with masala. Again add a rice layer. Then sprinkle chopped coriander and mint leaf, fried onion, fried cashews, then raisins. I have also added boiled eggs. Repeat the layers until everything is used. I believe if we used a homemade biryani masala, this will be next level. But as I'm Sri Lankan, I'm not very familiar with homemade Kerala biryani masala. If anyone watching from Kerala, please comment below so I can try it next time. So repeat each and every step again and again until everything is used. It's really looking good and smell also very good in this stage. Then cover the pan tightly with foil and cook on very low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now it's ready. So smell is so good. So gently you can mix the biryani. Now it's ready to serve. This is a simple and tasty version. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Also let me know if you would like me to try any recipes from other countries and share them with you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.